Question number 3 is, look at the figure EFGH in figure 10.41. What kind of quadrilateral is it? So your question number 1 is, we have to identify what type of quadrilateral it is. They have given few lengths there, measures already are given. If EH is 3 centimeter, EH is 3 centimeter and EF is 7 centimeter, EF is 7 centimeter, find the length of FG and HG. These are the two measures that we have to write. If EG is 9 centimeter, what is EGC? It's a diagonal. If this is 9 centimeter, we need to find out the length of HF also. This is a second diagonal. So your answer 1, what kind of quadrilateral it is? So very firstly we have to look at all the measures that are already given. Now see here, all the 4 angles are given a right angle. These are 2 lengths and these are 2 breadths. There are 2 diagonals. Very firstly, after the given measures, it's clear that it's a rectangle. It is a rectangle. This is your answer 1. Now, length of FG we have to find out. So, if this is 3 centimeter, what is the measure of opposite side? So, FG also will be 3 centimeter. If EF is 7 centimeter, what is the length of the opposite side HG? HG also will be 7 centimeter. We have to write the reason why, because they are the opposite sides of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Now we also have to find out the length of HF. So one diagonal is given, we have to find out the length of HF. So HF is also 9 centimeter, and again you have to write the reason, because diagonals of rectangle are equal. Whenever you write the measures, always write the reason why is it equal or why is it half. So for that you need to read the properties of quadrilaterals thoroughly. Okay, so here we finish the question number 3. Now let's go to question number 4. Question number 4 is, in figure 10.42, if UV is parallel to WX, UV is parallel to WX, and if UX is parallel to VW, then what kind of quadrilateral is UVWX? Now since the opposite sides are parallel, the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So first we write quadrilateral UVWX is a parallelogram. Next they have asked, if UV is 8 centimeter, how much is VW? Okay. VW is also given. VW is 6.5. Let me write down here. This is 6.5 centimeter and UV is 8 centimeter. What is the length of WX, and we need to find out the length of UX or XU. And if angle U is 130 and angle X is 50, angle U is 130 and angle X is 50. This is 130 and this is 50. How much is V? We have to find out this. And how much is W? We have to find out this. So first question is, quadrilateral UVWX is a parallelogram. WX is 8 centimeter and XU will be 6.5. If this is 8, this also will be 8. If this is 6.5, this also will be 6.5. And the reason is, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Okay, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. If angle, okay, here this is given 130, we have to find out this, and this is given, so we have to find out this. So angle V is 50 degrees and angle W is 130 degrees. And the reason that we have to write is opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Fine. So here we finish question number 4. Now if you see question number 5, it's true or false. So true or false, you will get it in the PDF. So here we end with this exercise 10.4. Let's meet soon for the